Tingle's
fucking Jew.
He's dressed like one.
Really? No.
Yes, he really is.
The most orthodox of Jews.
Hello, everybody playing with power here. My name is Jerry.
And I am Camarita.
Welcome back to The Legend of Zelda Windwaker.
Yeeties.
We bake winds here. I honestly thought you were going to chuck her into the abyss.
I want to so bad, like you have no idea, but I'm guessing that's gonna piss me off more than having her.
Probably. And now this room is why I thought we should do another episode of this dungeon.
Is it just puzzle?
It's mostly just puzzle.
There's no enemies?
There might be an enemy here or there, but no wall masters.
Okay. Zoop.
That would have been our luck, though, right? We think there's a wall master.
Yeah. Land squarely on a wall master.
The puzzle is pretty simple, honestly. It's as simple as you would expect it to be.
Seriously?
For the most part, yeah. You can get little bonuses like that chest and stuff by going in there and getting... Well, no, you can still move it to the normal spot, but you can go to certain places and shine your light on that stuff when you normally wouldn't have to. I think there's some way to start the light in here that's a little different, but I can't think of what. You know what item would be super useful in here?
What?
The light arrows.
Yeah.
But they probably thought of that, and that's why you don't get them this early.
You actually get the light arrows in this game?
I think so. I might be confused, but I'm pretty sure you get light arrows.
Oops. Nope. There we go. Alright, everything's in place.
That you can put in place so
Right.
far. At least on this side of the room.
Lights.
Do you see what the final objective is?
Yeah.
Okay. I think there might be like a fire arrow thing you shoot somewhere on the ceiling.
That's what I'm actually looking for.
I think. Oh no.
No, there's a
Switch or something.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, I see what has to happen. Does you. And you called her useless.
She is. They just built this dungeon around her. She is useless. That's it. They had a character. They were like, we're going to use this character for this and no one's going to stop me. I'm Shigeru Miyamoto. And then he jacked off in the fucking coffee.
She's more useful than the dungeon I have to do.
Take a shit.
What?
I told you to take a shit.
What?
I told you to take a shit.
Why?
Because fuck you.
What are you talking about?
Take a shit.
Where are your manners, young man?
I don't have manners. They all died in the war.
Where are your war manners, man?
Dead. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. It's clearly not what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah, it is.
What?
You're supposed to shine light on it. I don't know what's going on.
Super mega health. Oh, yeah.
It's a purple root.
Actually, that's not that bad.
No, it's not. You do need medley. At some point here. You have to aim for his forehead.
Or not.
Yeah, you have to hit part of him, not his chair. So is it just like tradition that you have to crouch and duck next to everything you have to pull?
Yeah, dude, I do that in Dark Souls too. It actually gets me killed a lot, but you'd be surprised how much it actually works when you're not dead.
Only like half the time, but still.
Right, but it still works. That's all that matters, you know?
You can't argue results. Or the lack thereof. But still, you can't argue results. Now, you need...
I need the retard.
Well, he's already down here. You have to get the bird down here now.
I hate when he comes back. He's like this.
Why?
I just fucking hate that animation more.
It's because he's in a trance controlling her.
It's so fucking stupid.
How?
It's so dumb.
I think it's charming.
God. I don't know if you know what charm is.
It gives a... Why are you putting her there?
That's not what I meant to do.
She should be there.
That's not what I meant to do, Geraldine.
Listen, Cheeto Face.
The fuck you call me?
Cheeto Face.
You're looking for a fight?
Yes.
You're cruising for a bruising?
Yes.
You're
Yes.
riding for a... I was gonna say Bryden. I'll teach you. Please. Why do I have to do this?
Because she's a bird. She has no upper arm strength.
Do you think I care? What am I doing right now?
Do you want me to tell you? Look behind you.
Oh, right. Oh, right. I missed the fucking panel.
It's fine. It doesn't have to be on the panel.
See if I can, behind the back this bitch. Ooh.
That sounds illegal. Yes, play the cutscene every time.
Yeet. Repetition. Oh, whoops. Okay, there we go. Gotta make sure, or you'll die.
What if a wall master just popped out because you did that? Install
Secret
medley.
wall master cheat.
Install medley.
Link just instantly dies.
Wow, that was a lot of money.
So much money.
Yeah, you have 69 and 9.
Ooh.
We're so mature.
Aw, yeet.
It's a W for Windwaker.
More like a W for poop maker.
I'm kidding, by the way. That is a joke, if anybody knows what I'm referencing.
Brilliant.
You're not done yet.
Uh-huh.
Ah!
Thought you could fucking poop diarrhea in my mouth without me noticing. Don't die.
You gonna orphanize the chest?
Or from what?
Orphanize the chest?
What?
Orphanize the chest?
Fucking what?
Kill the chest's parents.
What? That took no time. Why did the other chest take a million?
I don't know.
Years?
Maybe because it was see-through.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Well, it's because the other one made you work for the good reward. It was like, yeah, it's just a joy pen and take it. So I saw something. I don't know if you saw.
What?
That.
Thought it was obvious, actually. Nice try, FBI. Nice try.
FBI? What?
Yeah. Nice try, FBI. Nice try.
Guess who you need? Your favorite person.
Honestly, I don't hate her as a character. I just hate this dungeon. Which
Why?
makes me hate her.
This dungeon's awesome.
It's alright.
I love this puzzle.
Yeah, this puzzle's fun, I guess.
I love light-based things.
But do you like poop-based
Yes.
things?
All of my yes.
So dumb. Just reach your arms out.
She has no upper arm strength. She's a bird. She's not supposed to even have arms.
Do you think I give a shit?
I think it's too high.
Go on. Go ahead. It's too high.
Yep. Cameron's flying too high.
You dare doubt the great Camarita?
I'm sorry, but I only support margaritas.
You don't even drink, Jerry.
I know. That's just how bad you are. That was mean. I'm sorry. No, I'm not. If I was ever sorry, what kind of channel would this be? This would be a stew channel.
I like this noise.
Why?
I just do. It's a nice noise.
Money.
That's not what I wanted.
There's a 50 rupee in there.
Getting fucking rich, kid.
Sweet deal, bro.
They were just like, we need like 900 rupees. I think we're gonna need it.
We need 900 rupees 8 different times.
What?
I'm not kidding.
We need fucking what?
Yes. We need like 900 and something rupees every single Triforce chart for Tingle to decipher.
Oh!
Tingle's ooh.
Fucking Jew.
He's dressed like one.
Really? No.
Yes, he really is.
The most orthodox of Jews.
Oh, lady dee doo da da loo
What
dee dee.
the fuck?
That's a Jewish song, isn't it?
Oh,
In some country.
da 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 da.
Yes.
No.
Tingle tingle kulimba. That is totally a Jewish phrase.
Oh yeah, totally.
Don't steal it. Oh my gosh. I think you know what this means.
I get to finally die.
Yes. Twice.
I don't know why that counted.
Now that you've solved this puzzle, by the way, don't forget to go into that side room. That you said nice try FBI to.
Oh yeah, okay. I wasn't sure what you meant until you said that.
Did that actually ring a bell?
No. That was just... God fucking damn it!
Why do you keep trying to climb as her?
'Cause it
She
only-
is a bird.
It only makes fucking sense.
She's a bird.
You don't think birds have strong fucking arms? Are you
They
retarded?
don't have arms.
She does!
She doesn't.
Yeah.
She has wings that she can manipulate to hold things.
She has fucking arms, Jerry. Here.
Before you go
Where's
in
the
there,
little retard?
you can leave her.
Look at... Those are fucking arms, dude.
No, they are not.
Those are fucking arms.
Look at her.
Yeah, look. They're
Look
fucking
at her.
arms.
No, with your up stick see thing.
How?
See up. Lock the camera. See up.
Those are fucking arms.
Those are wings.
Those
They're
are
webbed.
hands. They're fucking...
See?
Look at-
She's
she
showing you. They are
She
wings.
has fucking hands. Those are arms.
Those are not hands.
They
Those are
are-
the ends of feathers.
Those are fucking arms, you lunatic.
They are the ends of feathers.
What fucking wing wraps around itself like that?
It's curling itself in on itself so she can pretend they're hands.
Bullshit. She wouldn't be able to play the harp if she didn't have hands or arms.
They're feathers.
No, they're fucking arms and hands that transform into them.
No.
Yes.
They are wings that they spread out and enjoy.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope. Hashtag get the Zelda fan peoples in on this. I'm sure they'll start a huge flame war. That's spooky. It's double spooky. Okay.
Way to trigger all 3 of them at once.
Don't worry.
I think you can hurt them with the light. Nope.
Wrong button. Take out your sword. Oh my god. This fucking camera, what the fuck, dude?
It's because of how you entered this area.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I can't do anything. What is happening? Oh jeez. Stop with this camera. One. This is the most damage either of us have taken during a battle, actually.
Probably.
To be fair, I don't think we fight many of these bigger enemies like this. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Hearts, hearts, hearts.
Ah, fuck.
Well, that magic was so important.
I wasn't trying to get
I
the
know.
magic, you dickhead.
I know. It
The
was
camera was fighting me. I can't lock on because it would lock onto him. Fucking dick cheese.
Wow. Someone's salty.
I'm very salty. Worth.
I think it probably isn't.
No, it's not. It's gonna be like,
I thought this was the boss key, but I think I'm wrong.
God damn it, I can't pick anything up.
There goes that heart.
Ah, fuck you. These fucking items don't stay long enough.
Well, when they pop out from the orb, they're not supposed to.
Right. I didn't think they accidentally made a mistake. I'm just saying, in my opinion, they say...
I think this is a treasure chart.
If this is a fucking treasure chart, Jerry.
Probably is a treasure chart.
God fucking damn it. That was a waste of my goddamn time.
Not really, because I'm going to end up having to use these. Dude, I need 900 and something rupees 8 different times.
That's really dumb.
I would just control her and have her come to you instead of trying to look for her.
I can't believe they're like, oh yeah, you gotta farm for rupees. That many fucking rupees, that many times.
Blame Tingle.
Once again, glad I didn't buy this. That'd be fucking terrible.
Like I said, it's
That's
much better on the Wii U version.
Fucking terrible. That is fucking awful.
It is the only part of this game I can say I hate. Is the Triforce chart. What are you doing?
Die.
She's got legs of steel. Something a bird should have.
You wanna fucking go?
She doesn't have arms.
Yes, she fucking does!
No, she doesn't.
You're a liar.
They are not arms. They are bird people. Uh-oh. Oh, you got to get his belt. Don't forget. And there's curse thingies. You might want to take out the curse thingies first.
How do I, How? Oh, that's cool. What?
What happened?
I... Alright.
You need the,
Right, I'm aware. Chill.
I'm just letting you know.
Chill. Chill. I'm aware. Don't put your fucking shield up, you faggot. Alright. I can't parry without this out. Thanks.
Yay. Do the side parry now. You're hitting the wall behind you. Taken out by his own weapon.
Well,
Did
if it
he just
wasn't
commit harakiri?
Harakiri.
No.
Yeah.
That's when you kill yourself. I'm talking about when his own weapon kills him.
I don't think there's a word for that, actually.
Harakiri.
Are you sure?
No. I'm
What?
making it that.
Gary.
Like seppuku. You got the big key.
It's got an eye on it.
For
How the fuck has it been 20
ingenious.
minutes?
What? This episode will be a little longer so we can get this dungeon done. Because honestly, all you have left is the boss.
Okay. Peeing in the shower, peeing in the shower, peeing in the shower.
You're going to need to make her fly anyway.
Kill yourself.
You didn't throw her into a wall. Holy crud.
Oh, whoops. 2 wall throwings for that.
You know, you're never going to be able to get with her if you keep doing that. She's totally into Link. You're ruining Bartholomew's chances of ever having a
He
girlfriend.
already had his chances lost when she's supposed to be praying eternally as a sage.
He can visit her.
So he can watch
Even
her
prisoners get conjugal visits.
kneel. What an aggravating system. Oh. How dare you evade me.
What if she had bounced off the wall back down onto the floor?
Good. It'll give me a reason to beat her.
You're going to have to call her again anyway. Don't throw her into the void, though. You know, Cameron,
Yep.
this is why you're forever single. You're not supposed to chuck women into walls.
Who said?
Pretty sure Cosmo has said it a few times.
Uh,
Women like Cosmo, don't they?
I always thought they were more in tune with Wanda.
I was going to say Poof. Or whatever the dog's name was, because he was the most awful thing that ever happened.
So you're saying that women are the most awful thing that's ever happened?
No, but they just find dogs really cute.
If you fall in this void, you stupid bitch, I'm gonna throw you out a moving car while you're pregnant.
I'm a bird. I lay eggs.
Doesn't mean you don't get pregnant. They still have a gestation period, do they not?
She's a bird. Oh, you almost clipped through the wall. How did you do that? You legitimately almost clipped through the wall.
Cool.
So now you have to use Her Majesty. I would go up a little higher. And now she's got to be your wings.
If you fail.
Hold on with the wings of an angel. Watch as they all fly away.
What? Why are there so many fucking rupees, dude?
Because it's getting you ready for having to have a ton of rupees.
Don't you fucking sass me. Come on.
I don't think she comes in with you.
Oh, cool.
It's time for the boss fight.
I don't like that sound. Oh, I definitely don't like that sound. Whoa, am I intruding? That's spooky. King Boo, oh my god. Look how fat you've got.
It's Snorlax. This is what happens if you kill that Snorlax in Saffron, no, Vermilion City? Well, near Vermilion City.
Fortunately for you, I am a stubborn prick. Oops, wrong way.
Now pick him up
What?
and throw him into a pillar.
Oh, this is amazing. Squirm
Pop
all you
goes
want.
the ghost.
Ooh, spooky.
And now kill the ghosts. That is the boss fight. But this is why it can be a little time consuming.
Get the fuck over here.
We should have gotten the Knight's Crest thing before this boss fight.
What's the
This is actually the only place it's helpful.
What is the Knight's Crest?
The
thing?
Hurricane Spin. At one stage in the boss fight, he will start, the lights will start closing.
Figured as much. Big fat retard. God damn it. What?
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 I think you killed a certain amount in that hit.
I don't think I killed any of them, actually.
Huh?
So I don't think I killed any of them, actually. Oh. That's a shame. That's a goddamn shame.
What is?
He's already caught in my trap again.
Oh. I like this boss fight.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. Fuck over here. There's only a few left. Or a
What
little
about
more
6?
than a few.
7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm looking.
What the fuck? Stop looking
I
at
can't
the
help it.
screen!
I keep looking over there to make sure it's still recording. And I get entranced in the video footage over there. Five.
About.
Huh?
About.
See how this one can be time consuming?
Yeah. It's not really hard, but
Yeah. It's a fun fight, though.
yeah, I'm having fun for once. In my miserable
What are you
fucking-
talking about? You love Medley.
My favorite.
When we go and recap at the end of the game, Medley's going to be your favorite thing about this game.
Doubtful.
There's one left. Oh, too slow.
I got up from my chair for that.
I know. Yeah, he got up out of his chair for that. They can't hear you. Well, you gotta sit. You have lines to read.
That's the most comfortable I've been, like, standing up in a long time.
Really?
I've never been able to appreciate standing like this.
You're mental. You ready to read your lines?
No.
I love how he's not in sync at all.
Hmm. You're in the background, right?
What?
Maybe you can't. That's spooky.
I've got the power! There's but one last step before it becomes the true Master Sword once again.
Well, the power to repel evil is not yet fully awakened. To complete the awakening of the Master Sword, you must go to the Wind Temple for one more prayer. Now, Bartholomew, step into the light behind you and return to the surface. Your next duty is to find the stage of the Wind Temple. I'll remain here and continue to pray. You must hurry. Oh, no.
You didn't pick up the heart piece.
I wasn't paying attention. You can get it. There's a vase right over there I opened.
You did open it?
Yeah. Remember, I was like,
But
"Oh,
how am I supposed to get over to it without medley?
the Deku leaf."
Will it make it?
Yes.
Oh, well.
I'll do it. I'll do it right now. No, fuck you. I'll do it right now. Because you're gonna be playing forever.
I am going to be.
So I'll just fucking. It'll take me 5 seconds. I don't remember.
Just go. Oh. Keep going.
Huh?
You gotta use the Deku leaf.
I know. Chill. I'm trying to select it. I fell off the edge. Chill the fuck out. Jesus Christ.
I'm crying from that sneeze.
Good. You fucking deserve it. Where is that pot?
I believe it's through the door in the next room. Hey, you again! We want our revenge!
Oh, there it is.
We opened the second pot too, didn't we?
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to jump in one more time. Alamu Akbar!
Oh my god. See, made it.
No, you didn't.
Told you. Believe in me.
No.
Yes.
Why would I do something that stupid?
You're racist.
Hey, oh, you're back. Oh, I so knew you loved me. Oh, I just forgot my things.
That was if you talk to her again.
I don't know. I've never had to come back in.
It won't let me talk to her.
I think she's too engrossed in prayer.
Bye for realsies this time.
I feel like the love of my life was just in here. Dun.
All right.
Now, thank you so much for watching
Yeah, thanks.
this episode.
Of Windwaker.
Part
31. 32.
33.
What?
34?
I don't know. Bye.
35.
Bye.
36.